Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chashniak Shimash, good day y'all. Today I've got this little unboxing and first look and repair, hopefully, of this machine. This was sent to me by a friend and a subscriber a couple of months ago now, but I've just got around to sorting this little project out. So the first thing I'm going to do, very carefully packaged, thank you John. You're gonna like this one. Let's get it out of the box. Look at that. Well, it looks like, I don't think it's the original box, but it's got some old packaging in it. Look at this beauty. Look at that. So here we have the Hoover Model 419 cleaner, 600 watts, Great Britain, and it's hardly been used. There are hardly any scratches on this at the bottom. This is the hanging hook that you could use to hang it up when you finished using it. It looks like new. I mean, it's still got its mark of safety Hoover on it. Tag, which I'm going to take off and put to one side because I don't want to damage it. Here we have the entrance port and the exhaust port. It has a little bit of dust in it, I saw. Let's open it up. There we have a bag in there. Oh, it smells like new vintage. Oh, it's incredible. So there is a little bit of rust spotting on the inside and around here, and also on the inside. So it looks like something damp has been in there and touching it, and then over the years has caused some corrosion on it. I'm just going to clean this up and rub this off and put some of the anti-rust stuff on there to protect it from spreading any further. Bag will just need a hand wash. That will just be vacuumed. You can't really wash that. I don't want to destroy it. Like I said, the inside needs a little bit of a vacuuming. There's a little bit of rust at the bottom. Again, I will rub and put some rust on it. Just needs a bit of a clean on the outside, a bit of a polish. But it's in fantastic condition. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful machine. Now, I will need to desuppressor it, but I'm going to risk it and I'm going to try it. Ashley plug. Okay, let's turn it on. Oh, that's amazing. The sound on it. There's really not bad suction on it at all. This isn't going to need much doing to it. Okay, so I've unplugged it. What I need to do now is undo these two screws. I think I'm going to have to take these rails off. Okay, there's the back off. That gives me access into this. Okay, and there we go. The pesky suppressor. That is what we're going to be removing today. Is this little baby. There we go. The time bomb has been removed. rusty parts in there that I just wiped over. I need them to dry, and then I can put some Crust on them to stop any further damage. So I will do that once it's dried. Okay, so the weekend is over. Back to work Monday. Got my cup of tea. Over the weekend on Saturday, or was it Friday? I did the inside of Crust on the inside of the Hoover, and then Saturday then is when I put a coat of aluminium spray paint on the inside, and that is now cleaned up and removed, so it's not going to rust any further, and it does now look better than what it was, so that is good. Now let me just check that you can see. Okay, that's better now, you can see. Let's start putting this beastie back together. Okay, so far so good. Motor's in. Let's give it a quick test. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. Right. Let's put this liner back on the inside. Let's put the filter back inside. Okay, so there we have the dust bag, and we don't want this leaking dust back through the machine to wreck the motor. Let's pop that inside the cloth bag. And then just have it overlapping just a little bit. There we go. Pop it in. Pop the lid on. Let's give it a clean. Let's put the label back on. Okay, let's give it another let's give it another test. And there we go, nice and safe. No suppressor to go bang in it. These are just the bits that came off it after the suppressor removal. And it is now working perfect again. So there we go, guys. There's the Hoover cylinder 419, desuppressed, safe. Sounding really, really sweet and ready to go back to its owner for use. So there we go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.